In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite not launching on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this video, I'm gonna present multiple methods that might help you if you are having trouble running Fortnite on a PlayStation 4. Usually, some of these methods will be enough to fix any possible issues that you are encountering. The first one, and by far the simplest one to do, is to go over to Fortnite and check for any possible updates. As you might expect, if you are running an outdated version of the game, you will not be allowed inside of the servers. Everyone who is playing needs to be on the same version, and if you don't have automatic updates enabled, or even if you do, sometimes the update doesn't go through, so you have to go over to your game, select the options, and check for any possible updates. Now, if the update is not being installed properly, this could be due to not having enough storage space. So what I recommend is to go over to your console settings and access the storage category, where you can see how much of the console's storage is being taken up. As long as you have enough space to install the update, it should go through without any issues, and you can try relaunching the game. For the most part, this main method is going to be enough to fix any issues attributed to Fortnite not launching. Something else that you might try to do is to go over inside of the game and see if the servers are down. The best way to check if the servers are down is to go over to status.epicgames.com. In here, you can check every single server that Epic Games has and whether or not they are down. If the servers for any game, including Fortnite, are down, there is nothing that you can do on your end. These aren't common occurrences, but if the servers do go down, like I said, you have to wait until Epic Games fixes the issue on their end. But there shouldn't be any problems attributed to running Fortnite on a PlayStation 4 as long as you have the latest version of the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite not launching on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.